We've placed them in these luggages, so hopefully you like it. So let me show you the chili pearls. Here are the chili pearls. Oops, that one wanted to fly already. Okay, so we've got 5 vials of chili pearls. These are the red ones. Place them over here. And then we've got 5 vials of the tangerine pearls. These are all square, once again. So basically, one luggage fits 10 vials. So if you're purchasing at least 10 vials, then you'll definitely get these as gift from us, included with your order of special beads. And then we've got another 5 for the lime pearls, and another 5 for the lemon pearls. Another 5 for Arctic pearls. These are the sky blue ones. And then we've got the snow pearls, the white ones. And the last luggage has got the pinks and the purples. So these are the violet pearls. And we've got the swan pearls. They look like candy. So swan, violet, snow, chili, tangerine, lime, lemon, and Arctic. And basically, Cheryl, you can use these in any of your square diamond paintings to kind of embellish it even further with more sparkle. And hopefully you enjoy these and like that they come in these cute vials. Thank you so much.